In this video, I'll be showing how to replace a front bumper cover on a Chevrolet Equinox. It is located on the front portion of the vehicle. Let's get started. So we're going to want to go ahead and open our hood and locate our 6 T15 Torx screws on our grill. We're going to go ahead and remove those now. I'll be using a T15 Torx bit. Go ahead and set these aside. Now we're going to lift the grill up off these 2 mounting tabs. I'm going to grab the corners and lift up. Now we're going to move along to the bottom side of the bumper on the corners to locate this one 7mm screw. There's another one on the other side. We're going to go ahead and remove it. And you're going to want to repeat the process for the other side. Now we're going to move along to the front portion of underneath the bumper to locate 6 more 7mm bolts. We're going to go ahead and remove those now. Now we can set these aside. Now for our 5 T15 Torx screws on the inner side of the wheel well. To gain access to these, you could turn the wheel all the way in or simply remove it. Now repeat the process for the other side. Now after all our screws have been removed, I'm going to take a trim tool and peel the fender liner back from the bumper. Now we could go ahead and remove the 7mm bolt on the corner. Now repeat the process for the other side. I'm going to place one hand under the plate bracket and one hand on top of the grill and pull the bumper away from the vehicle. Now with our bumper pulled away, I could go ahead and remove my turn signal wire harness. There's a connector right here near the inner fender liner. I'm going to pull this red tab down. Now that my red tab is undone, I'm going to take an angled pick to disengage the clip. I'm prying up on the clip. Now I can slide my connector out. Quick inspection for any corrosion or damage. And there it is. Now to reinstall our bumper. I'm going to start off at the corner with our electrical connector. Going to position the bumper near the vehicle, slide the connector in, make sure it's fully seated, and push the red tab in. Make sure it's fully secure. Now let's place the bumper on the vehicle. I'm going to slide it in place. Now I'm going to go along to the corners of the bumpers and install them. Make sure my bumper is fully seated. I'm going to align the tabs. And push in. As you can see, now it's fully flush. Repeat the process on the other side. Now to install our 7mm bolts on the corners of our bumper. Now just snug it up and repeat the process for the other side. Now to reinstall our fender liner into the bumper. Gonna push it in on the corners. Make sure it's fully in the bumper. Now for our 5 T15 Torx screws. I'll just be snugging these down. Now repeat this on the other side. Now we're going to move along to the mud flap and corner of the bumper to install our 7mm bolts. Again, just snug this down. Now repeat the process for the other side. Now for our 6 7mm bolts under the bumper. Again, just snug these down. Now for our 6 T15 Torx screws on the grill. Just make sure they're snug. And that completes our install. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.